So here's where I'm at. Went and welded this piece in. See, I hit all the spot welds. That's in. Flipped it over so I can get that piece in. I got it spot welded in a few spots here. So if it's not right, when I check it on the door, it will be easy to take apart if I have to. Here's the test fit of the skin on top of it. It's close. What I got to do, there's a lip underneath here. I just got to shave it a little bit to close this gap right here. But I think we're all good. So that'll be the skin on the door when I get to it. For now, I got to test it. Once it's done, I got a rust encapsulator that I got to do in there. Paint all that. Keep it from getting any more rust. Finish doing the rust prevention. So, next thing, mount the door and see how it fits.